Caleb, I need you to tell us about our experience here. Let people know, that way if they find this and not us, they know what happened to us.
Well, we're stuck on a mountaintop in Tennessee, and the blizzard hit. And we're trying to shovel a driveway, but it's no faster than we can shovel.
And how is Papa and Mamo handling all of this news?
Well, they're saying I told you so.
And where do they want the Christmas vacation?
In the basement. Look at that, it's pouring down.
And Josh is shoveling.
We're getting about it.
With a shovel in both hands and a cigarette in his mouth.
Should wait till the snow stops to get this car out. Because it's coming down pretty heavy. Look, it's sticking to me. Means I'm so cold I can't melt the snow.
And I think Bentley wants to go back inside the house. Because he's whining. He doesn't like it either. So